What if one smartphone could combine flagship performance, an incredible display, a massive battery, and premium design, all in one package? Well, Motorola is back with its most ambitious Edge series smartphone yet, the Motorola Edge 70 Max. Launching in India on July 15, 2026, this phone is expected to compete directly with premium flagships from Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi, thanks to its top-tier hardware and impressive battery life. So, let's take a closer look at everything the Motorola Edge 70 Max has to offer. Starting with the design, Motorola has given the Edge 70 Max a fresh premium look. Unlike many previous Edge models with curved displays, this phone adopts a sleek flat display and flat aluminum frame, making it more comfortable to hold and reducing accidental touches. On the front, you'll find a stunning Quad HD plus LTPO OLED display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, watching HDR movies, or simply scrolling through social media, every animation looks incredibly fluid. The display is also expected to reach an impressive peak brightness, making outdoor visibility excellent even under direct sunlight. Now let's talk power. The Motorola Edge 70 Max is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor. Built for flagship performance, this chipset promises lightning-fast app launches, smoother multitasking, better AI processing, and console-level gaming performance. Whether you're editing 4K videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or switching between multiple apps, this phone is designed to handle everything with ease. Motorola has also teased AI performance improvements, making the overall user experience smarter and faster. For photography lovers, the Edge 70 Max is expected to feature a powerful triple-camera system. Recent hands-on leaks confirm a 50-megapixel Sony LYTIA main camera with optical image stabilization, helping capture sharper photos and smoother videos. Expect vibrant daytime shots, detailed night photography, natural portrait mode, and high-quality 4K video recording. The front camera should also deliver crisp selfies and clear video calls, making it ideal for content creators and social media users. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 7,100 mAh battery. That's significantly larger than most flagship smartphones available today. This means you can comfortably get through heavy gaming, streaming, photography, and work without constantly looking for a charger. When you finally need to recharge, the phone supports 90W wired fast charging along with magnetic wireless charging, offering both speed and convenience. Motorola is also expected to deliver its signature clean Android experience with minimal bloatware, smooth animations, and useful Moto gestures. Additional premium features include IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, premium build quality, advanced AI features, a high-speed connectivity, stereo speakers, fast in-display fingerprint sensor. Everything about the Edge 70 Max is focused on providing a true flagship experience. So, is the Motorola Edge 70 Max worth waiting for? If the announced and leaked specifications hold true, it could become one of the most exciting flagship smartphones of 2026. With a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, gorgeous 144Hz display, huge 7,100 mAh battery, premium design, and flagship-level features, Motorola seems ready to make a serious comeback in the premium smartphone market. What do you think about the Motorola Edge 70 Max? Would you choose it over Samsung or OnePlus? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more smartphone reviews and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.